Fine. Graph you will understand only if you understand the functions, because they are same thing only. It's just a graphical representation of the same function. Okay. If I write an equation, it's an equation. If I write it as a graph, it's a graph. Fine. Both of them basically same. And trust me, this is the most ignored topic, and this will come in almost every exam. CMAT ले लो, CAT ले लो, Narsi Monji, SNAP ले लो. Fine. There will be one question based. Fine. Graph में there will be two type of question. Find the graph of this function या equation. They will give you equation. Find the graph. कि उसका graph कैसा आएगा. Second is उल्टा. They will give you a graph. They will tell you find the function of that graph. Alright. They give you a graph, इसका function, इसका equation बताओ या उल्टा. They give you a equation, इसका graph बताओ. Alright. So these are the two type of question which you can expect in the exam. ठीक है. Importance wise, one question in CAT CMAT and Narsi Monji का तो कुछ है ही. Narsi Monji you can get 5 questions or 3 questions or no questions. It's all depend upon the day, particular day. But yes, CAT CMAT one question each of the exams. So again, one of the most important topic which you can't afford to lose. Alright, these are the 8 type of functions, 8 type of equations. If you understand these 8 equations, everything is normal. Okay. We'll start with linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, all these equations. Okay. We'll do all these equations one by one. This is your main 8 type of equations. So we'll do one by one. First, let's start with the linear equation. Simple equation, which is a linear equation. Fine. Linear equation will always have a straight line. Fine. Any equation which is having a straight line is a linear equation, simple equation. Linear equation, simple equation, where power is only 1. Y is equal to 2x plus 3, y is equal to x, y is equal to x minus 2. It's not square or cube, it's just x. Y is equal to x plus something. Fine. So these are the two examples of your equations. ठीक है. Any doubt in the linear equation, simple equation जो अपन बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं. 5 पेन is equal to cost of 3 chocolates and t 2 x y z. ठीक है. Simple equation. ठीक है. Second is the quadratic equation where the x square. X square always follow a which kind of a graph, engineers? Parabolic graph. ठीक है. This is the first and the last time using the word parabolic graph. ठीक है. Because non-engineer को वो समझ. The moment I use parabolas and all these things, hyperbola and all, तो non-engineer बोलते हैं भैया बस करो ये तो छोड़ दो टॉपिक ये. ठीक है. That's why I try to avoid all this thing. Basically you will get a curved graph. ठीक है. In a square का thing. Why? Because square का every function will be a positive number. Square करते ही positive हो गया. So एक जगह positive ऐसा जाएगा, एक जगह उल्टा जाएगा. Fine. So square will give you a bell shape or a C shape curve. Not bell, sorry, a C shape curve. Because a quadratic equation. ठीक है. तो C shape आएगा. Cubic function. Now it's a cube function. Cube function का graph will be a positive and negative. Because cube में minus भी आएगा, plus भी आएगा. Square में everything is positive. Fine. Cube में there will be a plus and a minus. Are you able to see both? Next is square root का function. Square root value cannot be negative. तो तुम्हारा आंसर हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगा. ठीक है. x की वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती. सेम y की वैल्यू cannot be the moment you get a root का thing, it will always be a positive curve because it's a root now, तो curve रहेगा. Straight line will only come when it's a linear equation. The moment it's a non-linear equation, it has to be a curved line. That's an easy way to identify your curves. Absolute value, root वाला, ये वाला, sorry, mod वाला. First of all, let me explain what do you mean by mod. What do you mean by absolute? Absolute means we are just looking at the value. So what I normally say this, तुम्हारी उसकी टारगेट तोड़ दो. जो भी तुमने वैल्यू डाला -6, उसकी टारगेट होंगे जो भी उसके आगे पीछे सब निकाल दो. तो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू क्या बचा? 6. Alright, so पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव है, जो भी है, we are removing the things and whatever left on is your final value. Alright, any doubt? Next is a rational function or a fraction 1 by x. So 1 by x का ग्राफ will be like this. ठीक है. 1 by x is not defined on 0. तो 0 पे कभी x नहीं आएगा. There will be a breaking point in the curve. अभी तक जितने भी कर्व के they were all continuous graphs. Now we talk about the breaks because 1 by x is not defined on 0. तो 0 पे आगे एक break आएगा. So for example the graph might look like this. This is one graph and this will be other graph. So 0 पे not defined. It's defined everywhere but 0. ठीक है. लॉग फंक्शंस. लॉग कुछ बहुत सिंपल है. लॉग इज नॉट डिफाइंड ऑन जीरो एंड नेगेटिव. ये यहाँ पे टच कर रहा है बट इट्स नॉट टचिंग द कर्व. इट बेसिकली लाइक दिस. लॉगरिथम विल नेवर टच जीरो. नहीं सॉरी आएगा ना, जीरो टच करेगा 1 पे. when y is equal to 1 x equal to 1 log will be 0. So 0 से टच करके कर्व वैल्यू बट विल नेवर बी नेगेटिव. y का वैल्यू विल नेवर बी negative. Y will always, sorry, x will be always positive in this case. Exponential graph where a to the power x. Fine. Exponential graph. When a is greater than 1, it will be a positive number. A is bigger than 1. For every value of x, it will give you a positive number because a is more than 1. A is between 0 and 1. It will be a negative curve because a अगर तुम्हारा 0 to 1 है, रूट ऑफ 0.5 का स्क्वायर इज स्मॉलर देन 5 का स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो उल्टा कर्व हो जाएगा. Alright, so what we've done so far, we've tried to understand all the type of graph which are possible. ठीक है, solving the question there are two type of way. One is the normal engineer's method. रिमेंबर ऑल द रूल्स ऑल द कर्व कि किस ग्राफ का कैसा कर्व आएगा. लॉग्स का, इनइक्वालिटीज़ का, सॉरी एक्सपोनेंशियल का, ऑल द कर्व्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. ठीक है, बिकॉज एवरी कर्व इज अ डिफरेंट कर्व फ्रॉम अदर. ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज द मोमेंट यू चेंज द इक्वेशन, एक्स स्क्वायर का कर्व अलग आएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 का लगाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x का कर्व लगाएगा. सो एवरी कर्व विल बी अ डिफरेंट कर्व बट द नेचर ऑफ द कर्व रिमेन सेम फॉर एवरी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. So that is one basic rule to remember all the type of graphs and solve the question according to that. Alright, second type of question we'll do now. First of all, it's a linear curve. Let's do a couple of questions. Which of the following graph will be defined by this curve? Which of the following will be the graph for minus 2 and minus 2x minus 1? First of all, which of the option will not be there? B and D are out because we just talked about that linear equation can go anywhere. It have to be a modulus and a square to give you an equation like this. ठीक है, तो अपने पास बचा दो इक्वेशन. अब क्या करोगे? ठीक है, नाउ आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस माई मेथड कि पहला ऑप्शन थे यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि ये दो कर्व नहीं आएगा, ये दोनों में से एक आएगा. ठीक है, देन व्हाट आई नॉर्मली डू, आई पुट x इक्वल टू 0. The moment I put x equal to 0, this is your x axis, this is your y axis. The moment I put x equal to 0, y की वैल्यू should be -1. यहाँ पे भी -1 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे भी -1 आ रहा है, दोनों पे -1 पे टच कर रहा है. ठीक है, so both of them can be answered. I can check one more value. I can put x equal to 5. The moment by x equal to 5, y की वैल्यू आ गया -11. तो when x is 5, y should be -11, which is coming here. तो आंसर आ गया. सी क्या एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग वी डिड इन द लास्ट टाइम व्हेन वी आर डूइंग द फंक्शंस का वो वाला क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, ऑल वी डिड वाज पुट इन द ऑप्शन एंड चेक. सो सेम थिंग वी आर डूइंग, वी आर पुटिंग इन द वैल्यूज ऑफ x एज 0 1 2 एंड चेकिंग माय आंसर. दैट्स अ इजी वे आंसर टू सॉल्व एनी क्वेश्चन. एनी का लॉग्स आ गया, कुछ भी आएगा, विल बी अ 10 सेकंड जॉब टू सॉल्व दिस. आर यू विद मी? अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या मैंने